So we just talked about discontinuity and continuity. In this linear example, we have a removal discontinuous because if you're walking along, someone's removed the ground from you. Now we're going to get function notation from the graph. As a quick review, if you just say an order pair is x and y coordinates. That was a simple algebra 1 idea. Now we have to make it a little bit more complicated for you because you're in pre-calculus, right? So x comma f of x. So a fancy way of saying y is what, class? F of x. Okay? Now if you get stuck on these types of problems, just write the letters above it. F of 0. Well, what is this? This is f of x. This is telling you that the x value is what, class? 0. X value is 0. Okay, let's look at the order pair. On the graph, if my x-axis here is at 0, you can put your pencil down, and then you can see where it touches the graph. Where's it touch the graph? Here. What is my y value here? 1. You see that? This order pair is where the function is a solution. Well, we don't write 0 comma 1 is our answer. We're going to write that in function notation. So that would be f of 0 equals 1. F of 0 equals 1 is my answer. Let's do the second one. Class, what's my x value? 1. F of x. My x value is 1. What's the order pair there? Now you want to say 2, yes?
Yeah.
But there's an open circle. If it's an open circle, okay, we write undefined. So my function notation is that f of 1 is undefined. Class, it's undefined because you have a open circle. Basically, your whole math life, they've been closed circles. You see this? All the way over here. They've never had that before. And then all of a sudden now they've removed it, a solution. Okay, let's look at this one now. Last example. Class, what's an easier way of saying f of x? Okay, so we're saying that our y coordinate is negative 1. You see this? That means if I change my pen now, instead of going this way, it's going this way. My y value here is negative 1. Where's my pen touching? It's touching the graph here. What's my x value? What's the x value? Negative 3. Let's write that in function notation. F of negative 3 equals negative 1. So in that problem, the x value is equal to negative 3. So function notation is just a fancy way of taking order pairs and writing it in this format.